changed.
Some papers have chemicals that react to liquids. When the drops hit and the colors appear, I know, science can make ordinary things amazing. With reactive paper, we can see colors appear instantly.
It's going UP.
Water can climb because of capillary action. The paper pulls it up, even against gravity. Even water can defy gravity a little when science is at work. Capillary action is how plants drink from the ground.
That shouldn't balance.
Even if it looks impossible, objects balance when the center of mass is supported. Tiny adjustments can make a big difference. Balance isn't magic, it's physics. Understanding the forces at play lets even the most impossible-looking stacks stand tall.
How is it floating? That tiny toothpick shouldn't just stay on top of the water.
Water has surface tension, a kind of invisible skin on the surface. It can hold light objects like this toothpick without them sinking.
Even tiny things can float if the water's surface can hold them.
Beep boop. Beep boop. Everyone's turning into little robots.
AI can imagine turning humans into robots by controlling their movements and adding mechanical parts in simulations. AI lets us imagine impossible worlds. It's all safe and digital.
Look up. Earth wouldn't just have one moon. It could have 3 shining in the sky.
Adding more moons would change tides, night lighting, and even how we see the stars. The bigger moons pull stronger on Earth, while smaller ones create subtle waves and shadows. 3 moons would make our nights brighter and our tides wilder.
Whoa! Watch the ripples!
Sound is made of vibrations. When sound waves travel through the speaker, they push the water up and down. Sound can move water, air, and even objects. If you can see sound here,
that looks wrong. Why is the elephant so tiny?
AI can change how big animals look by adjusting their scale. It keeps their shapes the same, but changes their size. Size matters in nature. Changing it helps us understand why animals are built the way they are. It's alive! The art is moving all by itself. Magnets create invisible forces called magnetic fields. The tiny metal pieces feel that force and move along it, turning plain paper into moving art. With magnets, science turns into art.
Listen closely.
They all sound different.
More water changes the sound.
Earth looks wrong.
Gravity wouldn't work the same. Shape changes everything.
It moved.
It's dancing. AI can make anything feel alive.
We're glowing. Why do we look like lights? Everyone is lighting up. AI is showing energy we can't normally see. Imagine seeing energy all the time. What else do you think we can't see?
No hands. Watch closely.
It's moving by itself. Magnets pull metal, even through things. Made it! Science lets you move things without touching.
Time feels weird. Everything is moving, super slow.
Even I can't move fast. Our brains notice every tiny moment.
You'd see things you never notice. Time feels normal again.
So colorful! Watch what happens when colors collide.
Whoa! It's exploding! The liquid helps colors spread and mix. It turns into rainbow art! Science can be beautiful! Look at the sky! Earth looks like a whole new planet! It's like Saturn, but it's us. Rings are made from ice, dust, and rock. Every day would feel unreal. Sometimes science starts with imagination. Impossible! This is metal. It should sink. It's all about placing it just right. Water's surface tension acts like a tiny skin, and soap breaks it instantly. Science makes impossible things possible.
No hands. The water's moving.
Air is pushing it back. Air takes up space and pushes with pressure, just like solids. Even invisible things can push. Follow Trilab Zone. Life under the sea. Humans could build cities under the ocean. Schools, homes, even parks underwater. We'd need air, strong walls, and pressure control. And we'd live alongside ocean animals. The ocean could become a whole new world. Watch it zoom. I'm storing energy. Whoa! The rubber band stores energy, then releases it as motion. When the energy's gone, it stops. Energy makes things move. These study tricks feel like cheating, but they're totally legit.
Say it out loud. Teach it to someone. Study in short bursts. Turn notes into questions. And don't skip sleep. Your brain keeps learning.
It exploded. Quietly, quietly. You can see the energy move, even when you can't hear it. Explosions release energy fast, but sound is just one way we notice it. Is the sky moving? It looks like waves, but nothing up there is actually moving like water. When light bends through warm air, it can make the sky look like it's rippling. Look closely. Water bends light as it passes through, changing how our eyes see things. That's refraction, light changing direction when it moves through water. Ice on fire? The ice isn't really touching the fire. AI helps show how heat can be redirected, creating a super cool illusion. Ice can't float on fire, but with airflow and heat control, science can trick our eyes. No oxygen tanks.
If humans could breathe underwater, we could build entire cities beneath the sea. No air tanks needed.
Fish already do this. If humans could too, the ocean would become our second home. You get SAE, sound, is made of vibrations. AI can track those vibrations and turn them into light patterns we can actually see.
Sound doesn't really turn into light, but AI helps us visualize so our eyes can understand what our ears hear.